I think I know what this is. We'll have to open it up. All right, let's see what we got here. It is, in fact, what I was hoping it is. Oh, man. I just got my MV7 podcasting mic. I'm gonna definitely need to do an unboxing video for this, which we'll do tomorrow. Here in my living room with my buddy Harrison. We just got back from a wedding. I have something really awesome to show you guys. This is unrelated to my weekly check-ins, but I'm pretty jazzed up about this. I just got, boom, new microphone. Since I'm here, I'll show you guys around the little studio. We've come a long way since we first started. We got our studio lights are good. Got our microphone. Whiteboard's over there. Sound panels are all set up. Unfortunately, I had to buy more and they didn't come in the same shape, so that's a little awkward, but we're working with it. Otherwise, sound panels over here. Hubs of Detroit. For anyone in Detroit, this literally has everything. You can go through this for hours and find new details. This thing is really cool. Other than that, here's the setup. Here's where my dog sleeps. I got boxes. I just had to unbox my my new microphone. But anyways, so I just got back from the wedding. I did have breakfast and lunch already, so it's gonna be kind of a wash on the way in. We're gonna see what it is, and then I'm gonna take a couple pounds off due to like the breakfast and lunch. So we'll see where I'm at with that. After that, I'm gonna run through the quarter turns, and I'll take you guys into the office, and we'll see how I did with my macros.
Buddy, you ready for our check-in?
All right, so all things considered, not bad. $199. I'm gonna take the liberty here and subtract 3 pounds. So 196, not bad. After a wedding, I'm cool with those numbers. And it's gonna get better from here. So I'll lose that water weight within a day or two. On Saturday, I was at a low of 193. So things are going in the right direction. I'm pretty happy with that. So next we're gonna go through the quarter turns. Hey buddy, you ready for our quarter turns? All right, so I'm almost a quarter of the way through my cut. I'm down about 8 pounds. Let's see how I'm looking. All right, here we go. Gonna be taking a nice breakdown of the macros here. So jumping right into it. Steps are looking good. It's about what I've been targeting. Looks like we're a little shy here on Friday. Only had 2 miles. I think it was pouring, raining Friday. I think that's why I didn't really get my steps in. His steps were a little short on Wednesday and Thursday as well. And then yesterday I was at a wedding and it's kind of a wash. So it's good to have like days where you're going off the record a little bit. I mean, it's gonna happen. You go and see people and do things, vacations. It's all right to have a couple days off. So no worries. I've got blueberries. My tongue's gonna be blue. Love doing this, guys. Frozen blueberries, like. Can have an unlimited supply of these and it'll never gain weight. So yeah, blueberries, steps. Oh, let's see how I'm doing on weight. So this past week did pretty good. I kind of maintained around the 194 range. Later in the week I started dipping in the 193s, which is good. That shows that I'm losing about 1 pound a week right now. Obviously at the wedding Saturday, a little heavier today. That's going to be mostly water weight. I should have that shed by Monday or Tuesday. Not a huge deal. Jumping into the macros, this week was a little bit inconsistent. Let me see if I can make this font a little bigger for you guys. we go. So it's a little bit inconsistent. On last Sunday, I had a family dinner, so I went a little bit over what I would normally like. So 3,300 for me is kind of too much, but things happen. Monday through Thursday, actually Monday through Friday, I did pretty good. But yesterday, I wasn't even able to track. So when you're in like a banquet setting and they're handing you food, there's really no way. So I just didn't track, and it's okay. It's okay to have days like that. Today, I also haven't been tracking because I just got into town a few hours ago. I've already had some meals and I didn't track them. So we'll just hop back on the horse tomorrow. Things are still looking good. Weight-wise, I only put on a few water weight pounds, so I'm feeling good about that. So I think what I'll do next week, I might start showing you guys what I'm actually eating. Just to give you a quick breakdown, I start my mornings with protein shakes. So I go to the gym at 7 a.m., boom, that's done. Protein shake right when I get home. I have another one at 11, and then I have another one at about 1. Then I'm gonna have a light lunch, so that might look at something like a fish or like some eggs, something like that. And then pretty much every day, like clockwork for dinner, I'm having steak and potatoes. So it's very consistent. I'm basically eating the same thing every day. Hopefully this week I can get some footage of that and I'll show you guys what it really looks like, and then you can see what a day in the eating is like for me. With that, I think we're gonna wrap this video up. Really excited. I just got that new microphone, so gonna be tinkering around with that. I think I'll probably do an unboxing video tomorrow instead of my typical regular content. And then after that, we'll jump right back into things. So, oh, one more thing before we go. If you look in the bottom right corner of the screen, there's a little dot. You guys should try clicking that, see what happens. Aside from that, yeah, this is going to wrap things up, and see you guys in the next one. You hear that? And you're not going to hear it because you're dummy. Stupid.